kids, welcome to Rise and Shine.
Hello friends, do you like animals? Oh, I love them. Today we are going to learn about farm animals, so let's start it.
I see silhouette there. Let's see which animal is that. It's a horse. Horse is very fast. Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a rabbit. Rabbit loves to eat carrots. What's another silhouette over there? What could it be? It's a hen. Hen and lays eggs. Let's see what we have over here. It's a donkey. A donkey is a strong animal with long ears. It helps people by carrying loads. See what other animals there are. It's a dog. Dogs are human best friends. And that silhouette down there. It's a goat. A goat is a small farm animal with horns and a beard, known for climbing and eating grass. I can see another silhouette over there. Which animal it could be? It's a cat. A cat is a small, cute pet that loves to play.
Cat, cat, I have a cat. Cat, cat, I love cats. Cat, cat, I have a cat. I love cats.
Now let's see what next animal in this farm. It's a cow. I love having cow milk for breakfast. Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a sheep. A sheep is a gentle farm animal covered with soft wool.
So kids, now let's recap about all the animals we have learned in this video. Horse, rabbit, hen, donkey, goat, dog, cat, cow, sheep.
Farm animals are the animals that live on farms and help humans in many different ways. They give us food, help with work, and make farm life active and fun. Each farm animal has a special sound, unique habits, and an important role.
So kids, now time to learn farm animal sounds. Are you ready? So let's go.
Hope you enjoyed watching this video.
Bye bye, kids.